Okay, hello and welcome. It's gonna play some quick bridge hands, bridge fundamentals. Strictly fundamental. If you're just learning the game or just trying to get a little more clarity on what's going on, this may be helpful for you. If you're at this level, this book would be helpful. It's really just for learning the game, but if you have just learned it, read it anyway because it'll probably point out some things you're probably missing at this point. I'll be using standard American yellow card, set of conventions, fairly standard set of conventions for North American play. And my very, very quick bridge lesson or comment at the very beginning level, you need to be aware of points ranges. So the bidding that's going on is more telling you about how many points your partner has. And you're telling your partner how many points you have. The suits and distribution are almost secondary to the points ranges. So really you want to think in terms of points, right? Get your points together, figure out what your partner's telling you in terms of their points, add them together and see if you have enough for game. If you don't, otherwise compete a bit, have some fun. Let's jump in, play a couple of quick hands and see what we see. Alrighty. Okay, looks like I have become the host. Interesting. So this is fairly typical standard American profile. What do we have here? 12 and 5, 17 high card points and a balanced distribution. So that would be 15 to 17 is a one no trump bid right here. And obviously clearly in the 15 to 17 point range. Two clubs, this is the Stayman convention asking me if I have any 4-card majors. It also promises 8 points. My partner. Partner does not like my spades and has 10 points. Otherwise would be bidding 2 no trump. And so we'll accept the 3 no trump game bid and wish us luck. Let's see if partner has bid correctly. So notice that besides the convention, Stayman's probably in here somewhere. Oh, I know it's in here somewhere. Stayman, Jacoby. There we go. Anyway, I don't know where it is to find it in here. Let's see. So there it is. That's 9, 10, 11 high card points and a 4-card heart suit. Exactly right. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tricks off the top. So we need to manufacture 2 more. That is, we have 8 diamonds, so there's probably a 3-2 split. Now West should not be leading away from an ace. All right, no 3-2 split. 4, what is that? A 4-1 split, right? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Now we pick up the jack. So where are we? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, right? So we have our 9 tricks. And how do we want to play this? We'll go ahead and play this. We will finesse the diamond in the west. And we'll take that. Why not? And we'll take this. 6, 7, 10 is over here. I was looking at north having left, which, yeah, whatever. And I didn't watch to see if that 10 of spades dropped. Definitely something you need to learn to do. Let's see if we can pick up this queen of clubs. Probably not. Unlikely that East has another club. No, then the 10 of spades wasn't there anyway. 10 of spades is over here. Okay, 3 no trump plus 1. And we managed to finesse the diamond. And watch out where the diamonds were. And yeah, good stuff. 3 imps for us. Very nice. See what our new partner is like. Show profile from China, 2/1. So this person's going to know Sacy. 1 spade. We have 7, 8 high card points. This is not. There's nothing. There's no overbid here or anything. 8 high card points. We will pass. Three no trump. So West jumps right up to 3 no game, and okay, and we pass. Now we'll look for a little. Try to learn a little bit of defensive signals. So attitude, count, and preference. And there's some good tutorials on that out there. With a diamond lead, we can't do much. We probably should have bid high-low. We probably should have done high-low to show a count. So we actually botched that. Okay, what we're going to do is send back another diamond. And partner does not know we have only 2. Unfortunately, partner thinks we have an odd count. So it goes. We will take this. Partner gives a suit preference indication of clubs, probably. And we will lead that club to partner. Makes sense anyway, since clubs is the weakest over here, the weakest suit over here in dummy. So we want to lead towards the weakest suits. Okay. Hearts, again. Is the king coming out? No, no more spades. All right, yeah, defensive signals take quite a bit of concentration. Okay. Well, we can see why West bid 3 no trump. Clearly West is sitting on their share of points. And I threw away, well, the 10 was going to be covered by the king anyway. All right. Another no trump hand. This time they got 3 no trump plus 2. And they did well. They'll probably pick up a few more imps for that. Well, here's an interesting hand. 10, 13 high card points. And what is that, a 7 card heart suit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 13, possibly 14, 15, 16 with distribution. Partner bids 1 spade. So now do we want to like bid 3 hearts? Because we're 16 in hearts, but we're not 16 in hearts because we haven't agreed on anything yet. Really, 3 hearts is showing 16 high card points, which we don't have high card points. We do have distribution, possibly good distribution, but we don't want to lie about our points to partner, right? It is 7 hearts, but 7 hearts is only 7 tricks. So, there we go. Set up a few diamonds. Okay. So 8 hearts, We're not going to do anything fancy. We're going to play for the 3-2 split. And that's it. One more. I'll throw away a club here. Right. So remember we played the Queen of Diamonds. And we take that. And do we get the king over here? Did the West lead from the king? We're going to say yes, West did. And we're going to claim the rest of the tricks. So, yeah, kind of underbid, I guess. Yeah. Really, you're going to see other tables made it to that 4. And how did they do that? They bid 3 spades instead of 2 spades. So I'm keeping it very much fundamentals, but it's a good argument for bidding on 3 hearts, excuse me, not 3 spades, 3 hearts on that. Instead of the 2. So, you know, even if I don't have the high card points, what am I saying? With that excessive length, strength with the ace and the king, 9, 10, 11. So we bid up the line here. With on that previous hand, again with that strong length and strong headed by the ace king and the ace stopper up there, we were in great shape. Definitely a 3-heart bid. I agree with the 3-heart bid. We should be losing for that. See, though, we are not the only ones to not make it to 4 hearts, though. So, you know, it's kind of a judgment call. Now here we go. Okay, so 9, 10, 11, and 6 hearts. So I've only got 1 heart, but partner has jumped, so it's showing 16 points. So we definitely have 16, 11, 27. We definitely have game points. Question is, should I let partner take it in hearts or try it in no trump? There's a lot of kings, and I'm going to let partner play the hearts. I think that's the wiser. We might only have 7 hearts total. Yeah, and we're probably facing a 5-1 split over there in the east with 5 hearts in the east. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome, good hearts though. So we have 1 loser, 2 losers, 3 losers, easy with those aces. And if we have a 5-1 heart split, that is not good news, right? Because that would make a 4th loser. Well, we've set up the diamonds. We've done well for the clubs. And we do well for those spades. Get ourselves another spade here. So it looks like down 1 if it's indeed a 5-1 split. There's 5. And, yep, there it is. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 3 more to the east, to the jack. So down 1, doubled vulnerable. That's going to be 200 points, I think, for them. I think they may do well on this. I think it was worth letting partner have it in the hearts, even if we only had 7. Right? Kings can be problematic. East might go ahead and take their heart here, yeah, and that leaves the Jack of hearts, which should fall to the ace, or not the Jack, the 10, whatever it is. All right, good double. And unfortunately, yeah, 3 no trump. See, but now 3 no trump could have been trouble. So is it obviously makeable? Yeah, it should be makeable. Yeah. Again, you know, what would you do? It's very rare to see a 5-1 split. 4-2 is expected when opponents have 6 cards. 4-2, I think we would have been in pretty good shape. Okay, 1 no trump, 15 to 17. I've got 5, 6, 7. And we have 2 spade overcall here. It's not much, I don't have enough points to do anything about that. Okay. Spades is trump. Well, so we don't really have a 4th best here. We're going to hold on to those spades. I'm going to lead top of nothing. Okay, king's there. Partner's taking out some of these spades. I like the strategy. Does East have the ace? I don't know. Okay. All right. Now our partner thinks we had high-low there. Okay. We can go ahead and take that too while we're at it. Why not? And let's work some of these clubs. Queen and the ace makes you wonder where the king of clubs is. The jack and the king are still out there in the diamonds. Yep, no problem there. Pull another spade. We have set them by 1 already. And I'm thinking that's going to be it. Let's see. What do we think is left? I haven't been keeping track. Another spade. Okay. All right. So we basically got our hats handed to us there. All right. We started out well, but we did not finish well. We were weak here. We didn't make the 4 hearts that we should have made. We were weak here. We didn't make the 3 no trump that we should have made. And 7 points. We set them by 1, but you know that was a good overcall. on the part of East. Really, there was. So not in many other tables. Well, other tables did do that. Our three no trumps wasn't in there. Uh, Somebody made three no trumps. A lot of people took the spades up a little higher. And a lot of people didn't open. No? Okay. Anyway, so it's just generally five hands. Interesting stuff. Really, I think, if it adds up, if you don't have eight trump, right? Don't bid the trump, right? There's a risk there. Go ahead and go for the no trump. No trump is scary. The kings are scary. But I think no trumps really, it's not as scary as you might think. With these wacky distribution hands, sometimes the lesson here. Sometimes you probably want to show a little higher than your point count is telling you. Just because in the hearts, if we bid three hearts, we don't have 16 high card points, but we do have 16 points with distribution in hearts. So it's a little bit of a lie to partner, but it could have led to a good outcome. Again, these are the subtleties of bridge. This is what makes it difficult, And so, not particularly good result for us. Just not particularly thinking it all the way through. So learn from my mistakes. Take care now. Hope this helps.